Do you think that getting a video like this will facilitate your business? Here are some facts that will end all of your worries. According to Forbes magazine, 59% of senior executives prefer to watch video instead of reading text if both are available on the same webpage. InternetRetailer.com says the visitors who view product videos are 85% more likely to buy than visitors who don't. In the meantime, our associates at MarketingSherpa.com performed a split test that disclosed web pages consisting videos attracted 33 times more monthly visitors, while the organic traffic for pages having videos also increases by 157%. Still doubtful? Implix.com concluded that email and video increases click rates by 96%. SEO Grovers at SEOmoz.com reported a blog post without a video attracts 3 times less inbound links as compared to a blog post with a video. Video